Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Noob Marker. First, launch the popular game Find the Markers on Roblox. Once inside, you'll want to head directly to the main spawn area. This is your starting point for finding this particular marker. It's a straightforward process, so let's get right into the details of where to look next. You'll be surprised how simple it is. Now, from the main spawn, turn your attention towards a large, green pipe. This pipe is usually quite visible and stands out in the environment. You need to enter this pipe to proceed. It acts as a secret entrance to a hidden section of the map. The Noob Marker is waiting for you within this concealed area, so don't hesitate to go inside. Once you've entered the green pipe, follow the path inside. It's usually a linear route, so you won't get lost. The Noob Marker is strategically placed at the end of this hidden passage. When you see it, simply walk directly into the marker. This action will automatically add it to your collection, and you'll receive a notification confirming your success. Congratulations! To find more markers, always explore every corner of the map, even seemingly inaccessible spots. Many markers are cleverly hidden, requiring a bit of creative thinking or Parker skills. If you're struggling, remember to check the in-game hints or community guides for specific locations. And hey, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Happy hunting, and enjoy your new Noob Marker!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.